In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an external integration of type Microsoft SharePoint. SharePoint is a web-based collaborative platform that allows you to store and share files via sites. In the agentic platform, agents can leverage documents in a SharePoint site via a dedicated external integration that you need to create and customize to your needs. Before creating the integration, you must ensure that you have created credentials allowing you to access the content of a specific SharePoint by going to Administration Credentials. In this example, we have a service account configured by creating Azure application for SharePoint credentials. But you can also access the content of your SharePoint by creating SharePoint credentials. Once you have dedicated SharePoint credentials, go to Data Sources External Integrations. Click Add External Integration. Then select Microsoft SharePoint to create a new integration. Now you can configure the external integration to fit your use case. Start by giving it a clear name so that other builders know what it is. Select the credentials to use for this data source. Next, provide a short description of the integration by specifying what types of files it contains and what they talk about, for example. Specify the SharePoint site path in the described format. If your site has a specific configuration, you can change the root folder, which is shared documents by default. Select the language of your SharePoint files, English or French. If you want to include specific files or files from specific folders, you can enter a pattern in regex format of what to include. If you want to exclude specific files or files from specific folders, you can enter a pattern in regex format of what to exclude. Finally, click Add External Integration to finalize the creation. Once the creation is confirmed, click back to External Integrations list to return to the list of external integrations. The SharePoint integration is now available in the list with the created status. Wait until the status of the integration indicates ready before testing any agent with this data source, as the files need to be processed first.